Hello everyone, this is Jimmy from CoreTech Model 3D, and today I'm very glad to share with you about what our latest product about the smart simulation data storage and the management. And at the beginning, I think we can think how do we management the workflow the daily work of your workflow and the tasks and the data in your daily development process. I think the workflow including your just like the mode design or part design workflow, and such the workflow may include a lot of tasks need to implement, and from the tasks we may generate a lot of data, including CA data, design data, or the ensemble trial data. And this is the daily work in our design process. And for this workflow and the tasks, we can think about that the way how do we do the task management in current work currently work process. I think the most common approach is used by face-to-face discussion. For example, the manager may ask the engineers or members to do some simulation or some designs by face-to-face discussion. Or sometimes we may managers may leave the message by emails, and then if engineers did some design or did some simulation, and then engineers may feedback their work by email or by discussion. And such kind of task assignment approach is not easy to trace the history, especially after several months ago or several years ago.